doing? It's Sunday fun day at the Cosites. I got my little baby girl. We are doing a gluten-free banana bread. She's been mashing bananas here. You can see I haven't shaved and she will not allow me to shave my beard. So I'm going, and yes, it's a white beard. It's gray. Got the Yankee cap on. I haven't cut my hair in 6 or 7 weeks. And if anybody out there can cut my hair, I would be so grateful, because I will not allow that person behind the camera cut my hair. My wife. I love her. I'm just a little bit scared. What about you? You want to cut my hair?
Yes.
Okay. Sophia's going to cut my hair. Samantha. Well, maybe Samantha. Samantha actually cut her husband's hair. So Samantha's my other daughter, by the way, in New York. Anyway, so let's do it. We have bananas here we've been mashing up, right? We have here some eggs, some vanilla, and some avocado oil. And then here we have some gluten-free flour. We have some cinnamon, baking soda, a little salt. We are going to add some toasted walnuts, and then some raisins, and then you got your pan here, which was sprayed with avocado oil. That's it. Are you ready, Sophia? Let's do it. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to add this into here. You're going to add your wet ingredients right into the dry ingredients. Okay, we'll put this on the side here. All right, baby? So now, what are we going to do? We're going to mix this together.
I want to mix it.
All right, she wants to mix it. Go ahead, baby girl. Let her mix it. While Daddy's going to add the banana. Just keep on mixing. Mix it up, baby. Mix it up. Good girl. Keep on mixing. Let me get another spatula here. Beautiful. Keep on mixing. Are you ready for the bananas? Yeah, she's ready for the bananas. We got about 4 bananas in here, nice and ripe, because we're overbuying bananas here, so we're doing it. Look at that. You're doing a good job, baby. You want to do it together with Daddy? Let's do it. Do it. Mix.
I can see flour.
Mix, mix, mix the flour in there. Mix, mix, mix. Come on, girl, mix.
I can't see flour.
You can't see flour because it's mixing in. It's the almond flour. This makes it gluten-free, super moist, and what I love about this recipe is there's absolutely 0 sugar. Other than you got some natural sugar from the raisins.
I got it.
Beautiful. Look at you. You're a little chef there. Look at her. Look at this little cute little thing. How about we add now the toasted walnuts, right? Boom. Yes. Mix it up, baby. Mix it up.
I got it. I got the walnuts.
You got the walnuts.
And I got it.
Look at that face. Smile to the camera. Smile. You want to smile? She's very focused. She's a focused chef, just like your daddy.
I got walnuts.
She's got walnuts. Okay, let's get the raisins. You like raisins?
I like raisins.
Okay, let's put the raisins in then.
Raisins.
Raisins! Yay!
I got raisins in the pan.
You got raisins in the pan. Now let's mix. Let's fold it all in together. See that?
It looks like color. It looks like candy.
It looks like candy. It looks like M&M's. She loves M&M's.
I always eat candy when I poop.
She always eats candy when she poops. Thanks, folks. Good one. Good one.
I got the walnuts in my hand.
Oh my God, you're funny. All right, so I think we're ready to put this in.
Daddy, I got the walnuts.
You got the walnuts and you got the raisins. Okay, you ready? Let's put this in the pan. You ready? Okay, let Daddy do this part, because this is the, the part that needs adult supervision. Here. You're going to do it. You're going to do it. Here, how about you do it and I'll pour it. Go ahead. You ready? Good. Pour it in. There you go. There you go. Nicely done. Keep on going. Beautiful. She's doing it. She's doing it. Look at her.
I'm going to do all the
Look at my little sous chef.
I'm going to do all the ones in the pan.
All the walnuts. Beautiful. Can Daddy finish it up?
I'll finish up.
Okay. She's taking charge. She's very demanding. Very aggressive.
Mm.
Takes after her mother, I think. Or maybe me.
I put in the waters.
That's it. Beautiful. Here, let me grab just the rest. Ready? Here's the rest. You got to grab all that goodness in there. Look at this. Beautiful.
Oh.
Beautiful. Look at you go. That's it. So now, let's grab this. Remember, you clean as you go, right? You got to be clean in the kitchen, right?
I'm clean it.
Okay, clean it around. Clean it around here. There you go. She's a cleaner now. So look, do that. Beautiful. Look at the job you did, Sophia. So now we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about, I would say about 35 to 40 minutes till it's nice and set. And then you're going to have gluten-free banana bread with walnuts, with raisins, right? What do you think? Are you excited? All right, so I'm going to put this in the oven. Let's say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye.
Be safe, everyone. We love you.
We love you.
Bye.